welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me at my desk. Today we are going to do a design with me session, and this one is going to be a series. I don't know, it may be like 2 or 3 episodes. So what I'm going to be doing is taking a builder grade home and designing it into a luxury design home. And sometimes luxury doesn't always mean expensive, it just means well thought out, good quality, and long lasting. For me is what luxury is. So stick around if you guys are looking to get some ideas, if you're just starting out in interior design, or if you're just interested in the program that I'm going to use, which is SketchUp today. I'm going to be using that along with V-Ray to do all of my renderings. So I'll try to share as much as I can, or as many tips as I can. This isn't going to be a tutorial series, but I'm going to take you guys along through the process of how I design a home from existing plans to new plans. So get your hot beverage, get your drink, get your coffee, iced coffee, whatever you like, and come with me and sit down at my cozy desk. If you're curious also about this setup, check out my other video, Cozy Desk Setup Feng Shui, and yeah, let's get right into the video.
Battery 100%. Connected to Rift's iPhone.
Must have left my home here. Alright, so let's start in the basement. These are the stairs. This is like the half/full bath. In the basement, it's a shower, toilet, and sink. And then over here is just like an open area. There's also a laundry, but I didn't care to draw that in just because I was gonna get rid of it. Anyway, I already knew I was gonna get rid of that. And then this is a tiled area. I guess you would call this just like a kitchenette area, even though there's no kitchenette built in. And then to the right is a bedroom, and to the left, I don't know, maybe could be a bedroom, but I'm seeing it more as a storage. And then there's HVAC in here. So that's the basement. Let's go to the first floor. The first floor, this is the entryway, and this is the entry room. And then you have over here the dining room, the kitchen, and then the family room. And then this is like some storage areas over here. Once again, the same staircase that goes all the way up from the basement to the second level of the house. And in this room, there is a step down, so it's has like higher ceiling heights in this area. So, oh, and there's also a bay window in this area right here. But yeah, the kitchen is pretty basic, pretty basic L kitchen. Moving on. Second floor, this is the second floor. You have the stairs leading up into the hallway. And then you have the hallway bath, which is also the bathroom for these 2 bedrooms here. And then this is one large bedroom, and this is the second bedroom. And then you have the master bath, and then you have the primary bedroom, which is pretty big, lots and lots of space. And then you have a walk-in closet sort of situation, as well as a vanity mirror, and then the full bath, toilet, sink, bathtub, which these bathrooms mirror each other quite well, they don't perfectly mirror each other, but they're back to back. So yeah, these are the as-builts, and let's get straight into the schematic floor plan, the schematic planning. All right, let's get into it. So in this phase, I like to either draw on pen or paper or my iPad, something that's not going to be permanent and time consuming. And so I just filmed a time lapse. In the next clip, I'm going to take you guys through and walk you through everything that I did, and I hope you enjoy it. Now phase 2, when we talk about conceptual drawings or the schematic floor plans, drawing it helps me to think better, like think through it better, than on my iPad. Like, I like my iPad because it's easy, accessible, like I can erase, like no big deal. But it's just something with that pencil and paper that allows me to really like think. It's so funny to say, but all right, anywho. So this is the first floor. I created a more dedicated entryway. I put a double door here. I made this whole like wall here where the staircase starts all the way across to create some sort of separation for the entry. And then I have a case opening. That's what CO stands for, which basically just means it's a doorway. There's no door there. And then here I have tucked in a mudroom bench. So basically what this area is just like a bench with cubbies. It could be one cubby or two cubbies. And then you have above that a hook and rail. So a rail, and then you got hooks, things like that, to be able to hang your book bag or your jacket and coat. And sometimes it can be open, which that's what this is, or sometimes it can be closed storage, which some people prefer. I think I prefer closed. That way you can be messy, but put it away and it looks clean. I added a powder room on this floor just because there actually just was no existing bathroom on this floor, and you'd have to go all the way upstairs. And so I figured it'd be nice for if you are having guests over, or maybe people that you don't know that well, that you don't want to be going upstairs into your more intimate space. There's a powder room right here off the entryway, as well as what we're calling now the family room. Whereas before it was over here, now it's over here. This area is still kind of a TBD, but I put a seating area there for now. We have a sectional L-shaped couch here, a half arm couch, and entertainment center. And then over to the left, I put a see-through fireplace. I'm still kind of like deciding whether or not that's like a good idea, but we'll work it out. And then there was a window right here, and I'm choosing to open that up so that way it like kind of matches the sliding door that was over here. And this is the dining room. Right now I'm just showing a seating of 8. I also want to take you back to the entry, and to the left we have the kitchen. And so I moved the kitchen back here just because I like this flow better for like if you're coming in with groceries, you can just turn left, come in, the groceries away, refrigerator, and all this other type of stuff. So that is the first floor done. I think I really like this setup, and we'll see if it needs to change, if it will work. But that's a part of the job, part of the process. We gotta shift and move and solve new problems. Okay, so the basement. So I'm gonna take you guys back down to the basement. For this one, I wanted to turn into a studio apartment sort of situation. One big thing that I'm changing with this layout is the stairs. Instead of creating now an L shape, I'm just extending it all the way across the wall with a nice landing at the bottom. Got rid of the bathroom that was there, because that's the only reason why I did the L shape for the bathroom. And that bathroom was so small, you can't even properly sit on the toilet. Like anything happening in that bathroom is just, I mean, you can make it work, but it's not comfortable. And so for this space, I just took the existing wall from where that bedroom started and just extended it all the way down to here. What I've created here is essentially a studio 1-bedroom apartment. I have here a bathroom setup where it's kind of disguised in the wall as well, with this one into the kitchen. So it's like, you don't know when the door is closed, it's like, what's behind there? And then you open the door and it's like, oh, okay, cool, that's the bathroom. And so typically in a small studio apartment like this, it's common for the bathroom and the kitchen to be close to each other. And so one of the important things with bathrooms is sight lines. So when you first open the door, you do not want to see the toilet. You want to see the sink. You want something that looks pretty. You basically want something that looks pretty to be the first thing that you see. So, and then we have a small kitchenette area. I have a really small like RV type sink over here. Maybe I should really just make this a cooktop and this the sink and then a refrigerator, but I did want an oven down here, so technically this is a range, not just a cooktop. And then this sort of situation here, I'm thinking it will be furniture, because I don't want to trap this space to be one thing. In this area, this is pretty much just all hallway. I can probably tuck something into here. I'm not really sure what yet, but there's some room for something there. Maybe even something along this wall. But this area I was thinking could be like the small sort of entertainment area, or maybe a L-shaped sofa if it's big enough, or maybe just a regular sofa, a coffee table, and a TV entertainment center, so that way they can, you know, move from one space to the other. And then again, we have storage over there. So that's the basement. I wonder how you guys would have laid it out. You know, what were you thinking? What are your thoughts? Would you consider like just keeping this all open, or would you, keep it closed like this? To open or not to open? I don't know. We'll see. All right, we're coming back up from the basement, past the first floor. Now we're on to the second floor. So for this floor, it was very challenging for me, at least. I had a few goals for the second floor that I was not able to accomplish. So one of my goals was to keep 3 bedrooms. And what I wanted to do was put 3 bathrooms. I wanted to increase the bathroom amount, because before there was only 2 bathrooms, one public to the hallway and the other 2 rooms I had to share, and then the primary bathroom. Oh, and then another goal was to bring some natural light into the hallway, because on the as-built there literally are no windows, no natural light is getting into the hallway whatsoever. So I wanted to change that. So who knows? This is just a first draft. I'm not gonna say that this is perfect, but it can work. Here, as you come up the steps, the hallway has changed in shape. It's not just like this narrow rectangle in the middle anymore. Now it's more like a T shape or L shape. So you come up the steps and you have a door to your right, a door in front of you, case opening, maybe a pocket door situation here, and then another double door for the primary suite entry. So I'm going to start with the laundry. So for this space, I'm using a little window that was here existing, I believe, or maybe I'm just going to add a new window. But I added this window in here to get that natural light that we were talking about into the hallway, and I kept this as a cased opening so that way that can happen. Or if you prefer to have this be closed at any point, I can still do a glass frosted door right there, so that way light can still be let in and privacy be maintained in the laundry room. So we have a stacked washer and dryer. We have a nice countertop right here. From there, we'll go into the primary suite. Here I have tucked in a nice desk seating area in case someone needs to get some work done. And maybe we can even create a little curtain situation to divide that, so that way it's not impeding on their sleep. We have the king size bed right here in the command position of the room. It's not directly in front of the door, it's kind of off to the side a little bit, so that's a little bit better as far as feng shui purposes. And then to the left, we have the entry to the primary bath. Let me just say bath right here. We have a double sink or Jack and Jill sink, whatever you want to call it, right here. And then we have a water closet, which was also one of my goals to incorporate in the primary suite, was a water closet, because that's typically what you see in luxury homes. And it's also nice to be able to have that separate little room to do your business in and then not affect the whole rest of the bathroom. And then over here we have a nice walk-in shower with a bench, and then there was this extra little alcove over here in the corner that I was trying to work. I was like, oh my goodness, now where's the closet gonna go? Because there's just like so much space. It almost kind of becomes a dance floor in the bathroom, that I don't know where to put this closet. So I tucked it in back here, and it's a nice walk-in closet. So that's this side of the second floor. We did the laundry, we did the primary suite. Now let's go off into the second bedroom on this floor, which we only have now 2 bedrooms. We downgraded. We went from 3 bedrooms to 2 bedrooms. So that's my bad. I think as a designer, you don't really want to decrease the amount of bedrooms that a house has unless they ask for that. And so in this case, I don't have a client to particularly cater to that, but you know, we'll see what I can do once we put this in the computer. We'll see. Once you come up from the steps, you have your door. The first door to your right is the second bedroom. And this bedroom can be for a single person, a single child, or if you have 2 kids. And I wanted to showcase that 2 beds could fit in there. And then we have a nice walk-in closet for both of whoever's going to be in there, or if they're single. And then we have a nice public but easy access bathroom to the clients or the guests staying in this bedroom. We have a toilet situation. We've got a sink over here. We've got a tub shower, because a house needs a tub. You can't just have standing showers everywhere. A house needs a tub. So that's it, folks. That's the second floor, the first floor, and the basement. I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video, this section of the video where we go through the as-built. The next video that I post will get all of this stuff into the computer, see if it works, see if the spacing and clearances and all that jazz works. And if it's not, then we'll probably have to rework some things. We'll try to see if we can get that 3rd bedroom back in there. Thanks for designing with me today. And have a good one. Bye.